Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to lock apps on Android. So you have to just simply open the settings on this Android device. So when it's settings open, you have to scroll down to find privacy. So you have to click to the privacy of this settings to make the lock app. So when it's open privacy, you have to scroll down to find app lock. So there is the privacy protection app lock. You have to click to app lock. Black is for I will type my passcode. So this is privacy I can't share with you. So when it's type the password, there is the option of you have to log these apps. So you will also have to lock the app of your choice, and you will also hide home screen icon. It will be invisible of app on the home screen. So this is how to add lock on the apps. Black is for privacy. So this is, hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.